On top with tori for today, President Buhari don attend African Peer Mechanism Summit. Niger President Muhammadu Buhari don go attend African Peer Mechanism Summit for Addis Ababa for Ethiopia. Make una know say African Peer Mechanism Summit na ogbonge agency wey dey under African Union. The agency na ogbonge part of African Union wey all the countries wey dey Africa and under African Union dey follow because na self-monitoring mechanism wey dey put body on top political, economic and corporate governance values and plenty other things wey dey make government matter dey go well. Nigerian Minister of Foreign Affairs Geoffrey Oyema come follow tori pipo talk concerning wetin President Buhari and other African presidents and heads of state discuss for the meeting.
Nigeria is going to be the next country, actually, that's going to be reviewed. So I think Mr. President was there to listen to the review of Egypt and to understand and to see the whole process and the different things, the governance issues that they review and so on. So I think the takeaway was, it's called a peer review. It's about sharing best practices. And during the review of Egypt, there were also some areas of best practice that the reviewers, pointed out. So it was also something that Mr. President could take away and apply also in Nigeria.
For the summit, South African President Cyril Ramaphosa come take over chairmanship of African Peer Mechanism from the President of Chad Republic, Ignace J.B. Ignore. Now after this one, President Buhari come follow other African leaders then go attend African Union Peer Security Council meeting, where them for and say peace could continue to dey Africa, and they mark this one for Vision 2063. President Buhari talk for the closed session of the meeting, said terrorism, violence and conflict no good at all, as he said this one dey spoil Africa economy. Geoffrey Oyema come throw a better light put on top wetin President Buhari talk.
And of course the Sahel aspect was, has a direct bearing on Nigeria. And so Mr. President was there and listened to the status report of the situation in Libya, which of course affects us greatly, especially with regards to small arms and light weapons that are proliferating in our part of the world. And so we're now trying to come up with a common strategy to address the situation. But I think most importantly, in Mr. President's speech, it was really the question of, he emphasized in that speech that no foreign interference in Libya, because that is what is exacerbating the situation there, and the importance of all the parties sitting down and coming to an agreement.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. On top say President Muhammadu Buhari don go attend African Peer Mechanism Summit for Addis Ababa. Make una know say this ogbonge informate waka come meet una so na T Live Media na bring am come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge informate, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.